Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at this back to the basic and this elevates elevating privilege with domain. So from previous video we have already enumerated the user with Kerberos and abusing with Kerberos. So next what we wanna do is to begin. All right. So let me just go on the terminal and use SMB client, right? SMB client to join SMB client at SMB client. Then we have our user and we have our host name. Okay, let me just copy this, right? After copying this, we have to know the dash alpha dash alpha host. Okay, hold on a sec. Then we have pasted. Then we have to define as a user, and I guess that's the correct. Yes, SVC domain. So we have already got the this username. So that's gonna be SVC. It means we have already known that we don't need a password for this. So let's do enter. Okay. So we have the password we got earlier that was management 2005. So let me copy this, paste it on clipboard. From there, what we want to do is, so let's paste it right here. Something isn't working. It's working with it shows we have the surname called admin, then backup, then CIPC. The most important part is backup. So that seems interesting. So what we want to do is to get inside the uh, uh, SMB client and open into the backup. So how we gonna do about that is let's go SMB. Okay, we can do SMB client. Then we have to get inside the folder. So we want to do at attain the 184 on dirt 86. Then the we have the folder name called backup. So how we gonna do is just go right here, then back up. Then what's our username was svc. Okay, let's do it again. svc admin. It should work with it. Yes. Then let's do enter. And we had our password. So let me just check it. No, it's from here. So let me just uh copy this password instance. Let me come over here. Let's paste it, and then let's paste it right here. So we are inside the folder, and now what it tells us to what's inside. So we can do ls. All right, we have this backup that credentials are text. So we can do cat. Oh no, we can download this file backup credentials. Now we have successfully downloaded it. Then we can do cat we have the file name called backup.credential text. So we have this hash. So it's a base 64. So what we can do with this is we can just do base 64, and that's decode. So our file was backup. It should decode it. So uh, that's what we get. We get backup at SpookySig, the local, and we have the password for that. And next, what we want to do is to look at domain privilege. Now, so let me read this. Now we have a new user account credential. We may have more privilege on the system than before. The username of the account backup get us thinking, what is a backup account to? So, well, it's a backup account for a domain controller. This account has a unique permission that allows all Active Directory chains to sync with this user account. This includes password hashes. Now, knowing this, we can use the tool the uh, within Impact called Secret DOM by. This allows us to retrieve all the all the password and hashes of the user. So what we want to do is let's search for that, and we're gonna get it. So let's do enter for once, and what it tells is let's search where this file is, right? It's a part of impact, so we can do secret dump the pi, then let's locate it. So we have lots of files. That means we need this. No, I guess we can work with this. Then that's our file, and then let's come down here, Python 3.9, we have it. Let's paste it. It should work. Yes, it's working. So then what we can do is to give its location. So spooky.local. So spooky.local. So let's go a little bit back, and we want to see spooky the local. Then there is a backup. So that's our folder backup. Then we have the password. Password is back up to 5178660. Then we have to mention our IP address, domain controller IP address. So we had that. We had that at 10 the 10.184.186. That should dump all the hashes. Yes, the important hashes from here is this is from all domain. So we have, let's see, let's go up. Let's make it bigger. So we have the account administrator. So this is our admin. So we have our hashes, right? So let's copy this. Let's come over here, echo. Then let's redirect this to hashes.txt, and let's paste our hash over here. We can do so. Now we have known the hashes, so what we can do is to do a pass the hash attack. So we can install it evil win rm. So locate evil win rm. I think it's pre-install it, Yes, it's pre-install. So now we can specify the IP address. That's I for 10.10.10. Yes, I always forgot the IP, 84.186. That's our IP address. Next, we need to mention the user. So what's the user? That's you. So let's go back, or let's go up. So we have the user and the hash. Let's give a space. Let's paste it. Then that's for the hash. Then what we have as a hash is, let's go up, and we have the hashes. Paste it here. Let's go down. We have the hashes. Let's paste it right here. Then let's do enter. Okay, what is wrong? Okay, here should be a small. So I made here a mistake because capital U is for URL. So I did. So instead of that, we need to use a small u. Then let's do enter. That should shows the that's we should wait for a few minutes. Then we can get an access. So yes, now we got the access. So what we can do is let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm back. Then let's do ls. That's it. So the folder, we have all the folders right there. So you can find. So let's go to cd that spoops. Let's do ls. So cd desktop, I guess, and ls. It should be inside desktop. Okay, there is nothing inside here. Then let's go back once more. Then let's go down to the svc admin, cd desktop. So ls. So we have the user.txt. So that's our flag. So we can read it. So you can find it for other users. So thank you guys.